Good morning and thanks for joining us. I'm Noelle Friel.
I'm meteorologist Brittney Merlot. Happy Friday to you. I am snow happy about all that snow yesterday and this morning.
And I'm snow happy as well.
You are like SNOWELLE over there, actually.
I am. My new nickname. We're like SNOWELLE and like what? Blizzard Brittney? I don't know.
I know, right? Oh, I like that one. No more warnings or advisories in effect here for us throughout the state of Wisconsin, but that does not mean we're done with the snow. As you look outside, yeah, it's flying around out there along the Fox Valley into the Northwoods and through Outdoor County. Lakeshore right now, you're escaping that for the moment, but where it is snowing, visibility down to about 1.25 miles. It's a little bit easier to see out there compared to yesterday morning because those were heavy, wet, big flakes that accumulated rapidly. In just a few hours, we picked up 4 to 9 inches of snowfall. Now our temperatures are well below freezing, into the mid to upper 20s with those winds whipping out of the south, gusts up to 30 miles per hour here this morning. So when you head out the door, it's a cold one. It feels like 12 degrees throughout the Fox Valley. It feels like 18 along the lakeshore. It's cloudy, it's overcast. Those roads are slick and slippery. And that's going to be the case throughout this morning. Roads will improve by this afternoon, but that does not mean the snow showers wind down. In fact, we have chances all weekend long. Tracking that coming up.